Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. This is going to be board system test 29 with the Lite MS-5UD fire alarm system. So let's go ahead and get started. For our first notification appliance on today's system, we have the Siemens U-MHU remote horn, and this device will be doing code 3. We still have the system sensor CO1224T carbon monoxide detector, nothing has changed with that. If we fire the conduit up, brings us to a Siemens DT11 rate of rise heat detector. For our second notification appliance, we have the Siemens U-MCS remote strobe, and this device is set on 75 candela. We still have the Firelight A980 fire alarm annunciator, nothing has changed with that, and the system is normal. If we move down, we still have the system sensor RTS2 key test station. Below that, we have two pull stations. On the left, we have a Pyrotronics MS-5UD, and on the right, we have another MS-5UD by Pyrotronics. If we move further down, we still have the system sensor D4120 duct detector. Like I mentioned in a lot of my other system test videos before, certain devices cannot run on full A rectified power, which is the power that this panel outputs. Siemens devices in particular are usually on a system that outputs DC power. Unfortunately, this system does not, and these devices obviously will sound very crappy. So I decided to cut the AC power, and I'm just running off batteries, which gives me DC power. This is not up to code by any means, but again, this is just for a demo system. Alright, to start off today's test, I'm going to go ahead and pull the Pyrotronics single action pull station. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. And the alarm is silenced. And again, we do have audible silence on this system. For our next test today, I'm going to go ahead and activate the heat detector by just using a hairdryer. So here we go. And the alarm is silenced. I will now go ahead and reset the pull station. So I'm going to go ahead and insert my Allen key. I'm going to begin turning it. Eventually you can turn it enough. Should automatically open. Just like that. There's the inside. Just gonna close it back into place. Tighten it back up. This is very similar to resetting a Firelight BG10. Very similar to that. Alright. Pull station is now reset. Now I'm going to go into the main fire alarm control panel. I'm going to hit system reset. Alright, to finish off today's test, I'm going to go ahead and pull the other Powertronics pull station. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. The alarm is silenced, and again, we do have audible sounds. Strobes will continue to flash. This pull station resets just like the other one. So go ahead and insert my Allen key. I'm actually going to do it the other way. Just like that. There's the inside. Alright, and I'm going to close back into place and then start locking it back up. And again, very similar to resetting a Firelight BG10. Only real difference is this one's a little different. It's not dual action, the BG10 is. This one's just single action. So, alright. Now I'm going to go to the fire alarm annunciator and I'm going to hit system reset.